I wanna know when you're gonna come. See, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
Yes, this is IBK, you dig? And we got something that I called out long time already, you know. When I heard each of these artists on their own, Matupa, Studi, and Phoenix, I said these ones must come together and make a song together because they're all, for me, this is my opinion. Just judging by, like, just from hearing each of these songs, now I can see like let me just make an example. Look here, Phoenix can be like a Method Man, you know. Studi can be like a Redman. Matupa can be a ODB, you know, the whole Wu-Tang squad, you know, like whole Wu-Tang clan, your facts. And I can see they should actually form a group, and they're all Kala group. They're Kala, like friends and things like that. So they can just make a group. They're part of the same label probably. They got, what's that? Peasant Music Productions. Yeah, I'm sure they're all part of that. So why not just form a group? Because they all got the same, not the same style, but the same vibe. You know what I mean? Where they all know how to pull you in. You see what I mean? Like, I like all three of them got skills. But this song, it's not all three of them, but there's two. You dig? And who is it? It's Phoenix featuring Matupa. The song's name is Raakwijs Staan Uit. You dig? Show me who you are. You know what I mean? Now, look here. I know already the song is gonna be gevaarlijk. I know already. Facts. And if not, we're gonna say it's whack. You dig? There's nothing. But look here. I got the suggestion yesterday. And I'm excited to hear it, man. You feel me? So look here, let's both partake. Look here, I'm a bit dirty and all that. Look here, I don't know if you can see. It's cement dagger. You dig? We yaking the council cap today. You dig? You know where money is now? And let's see what is going on, man. Look here, let me keep my pick. DJ, put it in the deck. If you like the content, you know already, subscribe and all that. Let's hear this movement. Yeah, Phoenix, Matupa.
Stanley, focus, raakryk, stik het op, blaas uit. Raakwijs, staan uit, focus, raakryk, stik het op, blaas uit. Kry die, kaasryk, ek het met broers samen. Julle salute en maak space.
Ik heb mijn broers samen.
Staan uit, focus, raakryk, stik het op, blaas uit. Kry die, kaasryk, ek het met broers samen. Julle salute en maak space. Waar ons move is alleen, waar ons move is alleen.
Waar ons move is alleen. You dig?
Yo, raakryk, stik het op, blaas uit. Kry die, kaasryk, ek het met broers samen.
Ja, de kry die, kaasryk. You dig? In this motherfucker. Homegrown.
Julle salute en maak space. Waar ons move is alleen, waar ons move is alleen. Rappers moet gaan zitten. Jouw Phoenix, zal die rippelen, ja ze kennen stika. Overal waar ik zibba, they be getting hiccups. Koos ik spiegel die bra, kappen die Alina. Maar die broers Gina, meni eisen stinan. Zo maak vast die fitas, raak weg, zita. Als ik kom op je groen, of lachen is zoons, is Mona Lisa. Maar ja, koud, Frieza, ja die flow vernietig. Als ik float op die kak, die riscoop, klik klak. I'm the most visas, kon Niklas, dat is
oh, nice. Murderer.
En dan raak het bizar. Die sixte is voor Sika, moeder glorica. Level boe, die dag, viva la musica. Zij wees weer hoe die pak, kijk roze sushi bra. Ik zo bij spooky klak, kick. Raak.
Look here. Underrated, facts, underrated. Why is the such quality, no? Such MC, like killer MCs. When you gonna put them on a PET cypher or put them on MTV or something? You dig? Put them on something, man. Yo, I feel like we must make a a CTV. You dig? Color TV. Why? Because there's nothing for us. Look at the talent, but the talent goes nowhere. Not saying it for him, obviously. This man is coming out. This man is forcing his way through the building. You know what I mean? But look at the talent we got, no? But they won't put this man they won't put this man on a cypher with Nasty C them. Why? Because Nasty C them will get banged straight. This man will see. Oh. Just no. How gevaarlijk wel? We're gonna go back again. No. Just a keer again.
I'm the most vicious. Kon Niklas. Give thanks. There's respect. Man, my trap on my sneakers. En I raak het bizar. De 6X voor Sika. Moeder glue Rika. Level boe Dida. Viva la musica. Zij weet wie roet die pak. Kakroos sushi bra. Ik zo bij spooky.
Kakkeroos, soesies. Isn't it sloesies? Nice, soesies. Never mind. Look here, man. This man was even spitting like a bit. You know, man was throwing in a bit of that Sabela also in the move, a bit Sabela, you know what I mean? So, this man, you can't tell us, this is a ghetto prophet. This man is all in the ghettos and no kak. This man, real nigga, facts. I suggest you go to this man's channel now and subscribe to us, man. Like his whole vibe, all that, because this man is gevaarlijk. I'm not even. Yeah, no. And they shot the perfect day to shoot this music video. You see how blue that sky was? You dig? Yeah, that's not so liquor, yeah. Perfect, and it's all in one building, but the vibe is like there. They know the vibe. They knew like what vibe had to be made for the song. No answer. No guns in the music video. Nothing. It's fake. It's this man just lambing there in the middle of a construct of a broken down house. Easy. That's the spot where they go to smoke and things like that. And lam it out. Sit with a kiss or something. That's like their spot. The people that stay in the back, that is their people there. It's no lie. This isn't a betoog music video. And that's the main thing I love about El Phoenix, Matupa and Studi. Studi did the music. I'm sure it was his house there. The man walked out of his yard in the music video. Matupa was also in a broken house in his song. You dig? They all... Original, that's what I'm trying to say. So original artists. No betoog. Walk you. Wasn't there before, I don't know where is that. Guys, see the homie? Sorry man, I wanna see if I can see Studi in this mother.
Keep it, hoes, blaas uit. Ik zag een paar van de kaas geef, zoals ze samen lopen om zijn kaas koep. Oh, ze zijn mannen wat de kaas roep. Fokken, ze kan machine in mijn oor. Ali die het zie, kijk
Look here, I'm a fan of these Owens. No, like, I'm a fan of all three. Even though the other one isn't in the music video, I'm a fan of all three of them. No lie. Killers, they look how easy this man can be now.
Ik heb met broers samen. Jullie zijn looten, maak space. Maar ons move alleen.
Keep it, hoes, blaas uit. Ik zag een paar van de kaas geef, zoals ze samen lopen om zijn kaas koep. Oh, ze zijn mannen wat de kaas roep. Fokken, ze kan machine in mijn oor. Ali die het zie, kijk je vat aan de oor. Fokken, oude conversation.
Ali wat nou?
Ik zag een paar van de kaas geef, zoals ze samen lopen om zijn kaas koep. Oh, ze zijn mannen wat de kaas roep. Fokken, ze kan machine in mijn oor. Ali die het zie, kijk je vat aan de oor. Fokken, oude conversation. Cross-pollination. Dit is een kaas meditation. Jouw Phoenix met toepa binnen je huis en trap je die.
Yo, dit is een kaas meditation. Jouw Phoenix en Matupa binnen in die huis en nigga.
Ja, die zei hip-hop in wezen. Alle in een bies is ik voor met mij. Raak wees is Matupa, ik zweef voorbij.
Back.
Oude conversation, cross-pollination. Dit is een kaas meditation. Jouw Phoenix met toepa binnen je huis en trap je die. Ja, die zei hip-hop in wezen. Alle in een bies is ik voor met mij.
Die zei hip-hop in wezen. Facts. That is how the Owens need to come in. Why? Because we're not gonna find the other way in. We can't knock on the door anymore, cuz. Youngster knocked on the door. They let the man in because he knew how to change that accent a little bit. You dig? That was just we had to send one in to do it. You know what I mean? Just to open the doors for the Owens. You dig? Now that the door was already open, now it's a hip-hop invasion. Now we're gonna come through. Now he's not gonna bring my Tupa, ja Phoenix en Studi. Straight.
Draag wijzers maar toe, ik zweer voorbij van hele tuin vreemd. Nog een kling van mij, van de allemaal wil sneak dus. Alles maakt ziek op fietsen, maar mijn bitch get weak. Ik brand.
Yo, hulle wil sneak dus, maar hulle soek seker maar op fietsen. You dig? People are sneak dissing, hating. But you know what? Maybe they just want to feature on a song, but they know it's must. They know they're not original, they're not organic, so they can't. You dig? They can't they can't mix with the Owens. So they will never get the feature, and if they do, they're gonna be klaar on the feature anyway. That's why they hate. That's why you get haters, cuz, because people just they can't treat you. You dig? Facts.
Ja, maar toe bij die niets toch. Wijs me iets van het beat, ik is uit nou een business. BNP is mijn witness, van die zaken te zwak.
BNP
En allemaal wil sneak dus, alles maakt ziek op fietsen. Maar mijn bitch get weak, ik brand die mosquito. Ja, maar toe bij die niets toch. Wijs me iets van het beat, ik is uit nou een business. BNP is mijn witness, van die zaken te zwak.
Look here, man. This is one thing I really appreciate of a music video, like original music video. Look here, no. Most music videos, no. You can see the director of the music video, no. Where he got his inspiration was, he looked at other music videos of famous people, right? That's why you get a lot of music videos where, for example, in America, you know, Snoop Dogg. He's the one who started filming with the lady behind him, braiding his hair and things like that. After a while, you got other artists also doing that. Then you started getting artists sipping lean in their music videos, right? Then South African artists also did that, like look here. Pengi them. I'm a fan of their music, they gevaarlijk. But then they started adopting that also, you know what I mean? Directors just sees what is going on there and then they take it here. In these music videos that these are one shooters, like, look here. Let's give them our vibe, man. That's how they sit. I didn't told you that's the spot, cuz. I didn't told you that's one of the spots where they just lam it out, smoke their stuff, have a kiss maybe, just lam it out. You know what I mean? Maybe the wine is serving there or something. You dig? That's just the spot. And so they were like, look here, let's shoot the music video there. It's not of a thing of, yeah, no way, let's go, but let's go on a fake buzz and see, okay, we've never been there before. Let's ask the people permission to sit there and all that. Nah, these always. That's what I appreciate and respect of them, man. It's just a reason I can see. You can see when someone is betwerking, being fake. And you can see when it's just organic, organic.
Van niemand wil samen kijken, zo ik sta niet. Doe maar kennis hoe mijn naam lijkt. Maar toe bij die niets toch. Wijs me iets van het beat, ik is uit nou een business. BNP is mijn witness, van die zaken te zwak. Zo je keus wordt gedismissed. Van niemand wil samen kijken, zo ik sta niet. Doe maar kennis hoe mijn naam lijkt. Doe maar kennis hoe mijn naam lijkt.
Niemand wil samen kijken, zo ik sta niet. No one wants to help a man, so look here, I'm just gonna stand out alone, my Tupa. Facts. That's what this name means, guys. That's what this name basically means. You dig? Hold up.
Zo je keus wordt gedismissed. Van niemand wil samen kijken, zo ik sta niet. Doe maar kennis hoe mijn naam lijkt. Doe maar kennis hoe mijn naam lijkt.
Raakwijs, sta niet, focus, raakrijk, stik het op, blaas uit, krijg die, klaasrijk. Ik heb mijn broers samen, jullie zijn loot.
Yeah, no, the flow is killer. The vibe is killer. Yeah, a 10 out of 10, cuz. Facts. And I don't even listen to drone numbers at all, you dig? At all, I don't like it. But
focus, raakrijk, stik het op, blaas uit, krijg die, klaasrijk. Ik heb mijn broers samen, jullie zijn loot en maak space. Waar ons move, sta alleen, waar ons move, sta alleen. Door raakwijs, sta niet, focus, raakrijk, stik het op, blaas uit.
Tell us naar Likie Kamet. Ik heb mijn broers samen.
Jullie zijn loot en maak space. Waar ons move, sta alleen, waar ons move, sta alleen.
Yeah. Goosebumps, no, like goosebumps. Yeah, no, wait, hold up. Man is dik geruk. Look at wat Tupac looks in that stukje. Man is dik geruk. Just look at it. Man can't even look at the camera anymore. He's just like, yeah. In his mind, he's thinking, yeah. Look, move the camera somewhere else when I'm dik geruk. I can't even focus anymore. Just look. Just look at. Ah, just look at. You just say, yeah. Look at. Oh yeah. Respect. Respect. Why did it seem like there's so many more Owens there? Look at cuz it's just 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 people. 9 people there, you dig? It's just 9 people there in that whole. Look at no one in the background. But it looked like there was so much people there. Okay. Look at cuz. Real nigga shit. What more can a man say, man? Yo. Oh, I thought this man was hot bizarre. But it's not. Asya. Hot boys. Staan it. Ik heb mijn broers samen. Ja, killer. Ja, no, Visual Media Production. Isn't it PMP to the... I'm mistaken? Isn't it PMP? Big Things Productions. Cone. Artwork Pro. Visual Media Productions. Now where's PMP then? That's my mentioned PMP. Hold up. Huh? Am I missing something or what? Yeah, Phoenix, okay. Where's the PMP then? Yo, it's Mal. But look here. Killer song. I'm not even gonna lie, cuz. Like, cuz Boss Life IBK, man, have a lekker day. I must take a sauce. Look here, now I was hot beside with the Daga cement. You dig? I must say both because you don't know what's Daga, you know what I mean? You didn't work on the bow before. Get this move, man. Damn. If I show you my toes now, you will laugh. You stuck in there. What? You think I'm scared to show you my toes? You think I'm scared? I am scared. Cause Boss Life IBK, cuz. Whenever they could.